how you are going to plan your dream home, building or office. What are the key features you want your space to have? Is it a pool? Is it a green area? Is it an open space? Is it a gym? What it is? Do you want a home like ancient palaces of India? But do you know, ancient Indian buildings were not only truly grand, magnificent, forts, houses, palaces were also made in complete harmony with nature, with limited wastage. Ancient Indian architecture was truly sustainable, from building material to conserving natural resources. Our ancestors knew how to build sustainably. Namaskar, my name is Gitanjali Khanna, and in this video we are going to talk about green architect or green buildings. Do you know, according to IGBC, which is Indian Green Building Council, people who spend their time or live in green buildings have a better health because of improved air quality. Not only this, you can reduce your energy consumption by 30-40%. Let's talk about the key features of green building. While planning your home, you can surely apply at least few of them to have a better home. Climate change is real and our natural resources are shrinking. In many parts of the world, green buildings are in the trend, and for the right reason. India also have several green buildings which are certified nationally as well as internationally. The first feature of green building is adequate solar orientation and usage of solar energy. Right facing of the building and optimum use of sunlight is seen in sustainable building. Not only this, to power sustainable building, use of solar energy is very common. Sustainable building protect and increase natural native vegetation and plan, design and build green spaces in and around the building. Different parts of world, from Cape Town to Chennai, are facing serious water shortages. So green building harvest all the rainwater which comes to ground and treat or recycle grey water. Water is precious and essential for human life. It is important to preserve fresh water of rain. So all of the green buildings have rainwater harvesting system. In sustainable buildings, we not only harvest rainwater but also treat grey water which comes out of the building and reuse it for different purposes. In entire building life cycle, from construction, operation, planning, maintenance, renovation to demolition, green buildings produce very less wastage. Earth-friendly, sustainable, recycled material are used in building sustainable buildings. To reduce the requirement of energy, green buildings are always well insulated. It requires less energy to function. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. I hope now your dream home will have some features of green home as well. Thank you for watching till end again. Namaskar.